mornings all, and hope you all are good. So this video is for a 12th standard students of your subject, that is OC, Organization of Commerce and Management. So first chapter, that is the principle of management. So today we will be do exercises. So without wasting time, let's start. Question number 1. I'll zoom it. Okay. First, question number 1 is select the correct option and rewrite the sentence. First, Dash was regarded as a father of a scientific management. Answer is F.W. Taylor. Second, principle of Dash is based on a place for everything and everything in its place. Answer is order. Third, the members of organization should receive orders from Dash, only one superior. Fourth, scalar chain means the hierarchies of Dash from the top level to the lower level, purpose of a communication. Level for the purpose of a communication, that is answer is authority. Fifth, Taylor recommended total Dash format to control the various aspects of a production, that is 8. Answer is 8. So next, B, match the following. Zoom for you, okay. First, Henry Fayol, answer is 10, that is modern organization. Second, principle of unity of direction, answer is 6th, one head, one plan principle. Third, principle of management. Fourth, that is C, fourth, general guidelines. D, scientific management theory. 2, F.W. Taylor. Fifth, functional organization. Answer is E, 1. 8, Foreman. So next, C, give one word phrases terms for the following statement. First, the study of a movement of an employee as well as a machine while completing particular tasks. Answer is motion study. Second, the technique of observing and recording the time required by an employee to complete a given task. Time study. Answer is time study. Third, study consists of an organizational, systematic and critical assessment of various activities. Answer is work study. Fourth, the principle which deals with to do work with innovative way. Answer is principle of initiative. Fifth, the principle which based on a place for everything and everything in its place. Answer is principle of order. D, state whether the following statements are true or false. First, the principle of managements are universal in a nature. Answer is true. Second, the management principles are applied differently under different situation. True. Answer is true. Third, only same principle of a management are important. False. Fourth, Henry Fayol has given different technique of management. False. Fifth, F.W. Taylor has proposed 14 principles of management. False. Sixth, each members of organization should receive orders only from one superior. That is true. E, find the odd ones. First, principle of authorities and responsibility. Second, motion studies. Principle of a division of a work. Principle of a discipline. Answer is motion study. Second, fatigue studies. Principle of a unity of command. Work studies and motion study. Answer is principle of a unity command. G, correct the underlined word and rewrite the following sentences. First, dash security in a job always affect adversely on the efficiencies of employee. Answer is insecurity. Insecurity in a job always affect adversely on the efficiencies of employee. Second, aspirate D, aspirate D. The corps means dash division is the strength division, so that is answer is unity. Third, each members of organization should receive order from only Only one subordinate? No, only one superior. Fourth, decentralization means concentrations of powers and authorities at a specific position. False, sorry, not decentralization. Answer is a centralization means a concentration of a power and authorities at a specific position. Fifth, management techniques are applied differently under different conditions. So management principles are applied differently under the different condition. So that's it. We will be meeting next time. Hope you all are good and stay safe, stay healthy. Bye. Thank you.